This meditation is to help you at those times where you feel really anxious or worried. To start off, I'd like you to find a position that you feel comfortable and relaxed in. With this one, you could be laying down or sitting up. And let your hands rest wherever they feel comfortable. Close your eyes and bring attention to your breathing. Spend a couple of minutes just focusing on your breath. Try finding that soothing rhythm breathing. Or if you want to, try breathing in to a count of 4, pausing, and then breathing out to a count of 4. Let's try it together. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for a moment. And now breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. And what I'd like you to do is to pick a colour that we're going to focus on today. Think of a colour that makes you feel happy or relaxed, that makes you feel warm and calm. And now imagine that colour filling your mind. Anytime that other thoughts, images, sounds or sensations come to mind, allow yourself to just notice them and then bring your attention back to your breathing and the colour you've chosen. Try focusing your breathing lower down in your belly for a moment, as if you've got a balloon in your stomach. And notice how the balloon inflates as you breathe in and deflates as you breathe out. You can even check this by putting your hand on your tummy and seeing it as it moves when you breathe. Notice the sensations in your stomach as your belly rises and the balloon inflates and it falls as the balloon deflates when you breathe out. Now coming back to your colour, I want you to really visualise this for a moment. It could be in the form of a light or a mist or a cloud that covers around you. If it's really difficult to imagine your colour, it can be helpful to imagine something that is in the same colour. For example, if you've chosen green, imagine green grass or a forest. If you've picked blue, imagine the sea. If you've picked orange, imagine the sunset. If you've picked yellow, imagine a sunflower. And if you've picked pink, imagine a beautiful sunrise. See it in front of you, over you, all around you, surrounding you. As you slowly breathe, become aware of breathing in this beautiful, magical, calming colour. Breathe it in through your nose, down your throat, into your chest and your abdomen, and imagine that beautiful colour spreading out within you to every part of your body, and notice the effect it has. Notice the sensations in your body as this coloured light or mist flows in and spreads throughout your body and mind. Notice how the colour is affecting your body and your mind as you allow it to gently flow and infuse into you. Imagine that colour spreading through your body and finding those little pockets of anxiety. And imagine breathing that colour into the anxiety and breathing out whatever colour your anxiety might be. So we're replacing the anxiety in our body with calmness, happiness, and warmth. If your mind wanders, simply notice that it's wandering and gently come back to focusing on the colour you've chosen. Breathing that beautiful colour in and breathing out any worries or anxiety. Whenever you're ready, start to bring your attention back to the here and now where you are in your room. And open your eyes, look around, notice what you see and what you hear. And take that lovely calmness back into your day with you.